PS4 controller connection issues are increasingly common as consoles age. The main causes include hardware aging after 7 to 11 years of use, battery deterioration in controllers, and occasional firmware conflicts from system updates. The USB reset method is the most effective first step, with a 70 to 80% success rate for software-related issues. This method involves 6 key steps to reset the controller connection. First, power off your PS4 completely. Then connect the controller using a USB cable and press the PS button to power on the system. Navigate to Settings, then Devices, then Bluetooth devices. Delete the existing controller pairing and repair the controller. If the USB reset method doesn't resolve your controller issues, don't worry. The next step is Safe Mode Recovery, which has an even higher success rate for more complex connection problems. When basic troubleshooting fails, Safe Mode provides powerful recovery options for PS4 controller issues. Safe Mode bypasses normal startup processes and gives you direct access to system repair tools. Once in Safe Mode, you'll see a menu with several options. For controller connectivity issues, try these 3 options in sequence. First, restart PS4, then restore default settings, and finally rebuild database. According to PlayStation repair technician Mark Rodriguez, rebuilding the database resolves approximately 85% of controller connectivity issues that aren't hardware related. This makes it one of the most effective software solutions available. If Safe Mode options don't resolve the issue, try a hard reset of the controller itself. Use a paperclip to press the small reset button on the back of the controller for 3 to 5 seconds, then reconnect via USB. Understanding hardware limitations is crucial for long-term maintenance. The average DualShock 4 controller shows degradation after 800 to 1200 hours of use, and USB port failure is increasingly common in older consoles. To extend your hardware's lifespan, regularly clean USB ports and controller contacts with compressed air. Store controllers at room temperature, avoid extreme heat or cold, and consider rotating between multiple controllers to reduce wear on any single unit.